Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and I'm here in the kitchen today with some special guests. We have my neighbors, Colin and Matthew, and we have Amir. Amir was my foreign exchange student about 5 years ago. Here's the picture of so many years ago. Amir is from Yemen and he ended up staying after his exchange program ended. He went to Mission Heights when he was here. So he is going to make us a fun dish from Yemen today.
It's called a Yemeni soussi. It's kind of like an egg and pita bread casserole, but it's a very, very healthy dish. You have two options. You can go the savory way and add salsa to it, or the sweet way and have some honey with it. I prefer the honey, it's much better.
So we are going to make that today, and these kids are going to help us make it, and most importantly, they're going to let us know if it tastes good.
To make this dish, we are going to need 5 eggs, 5 cups of milk, a package of pita bread, some nigella or black seeds, butter or ghee, salt, and honey to taste. To start, we are going to add 5 cups of milk to a pan that we have on top of the stove. Our next step is to crack 4 of our eggs into a bowl. We're going to save the last egg for later. With our milk still cooking on a very low temperature, we are going to scramble the eggs and add about a tablespoon of butter. The eggs will then be poured into the milk mixture.
Yes.
And then we're going to mix the mixture until our butter melts. We are then going to add a little bit of salt to the mixture. And our nigella seeds are going to go in next. Once the butter has melted and is fully incorporated into our milk, we're going to pour a little bit of it into the bottom of a baking pan. We are then going to take about 4 pieces of our pita bread and tear them into 4 pieces. Those pieces then get dipped into the milk on the stove and then placed into our baking dish. And we'll pour a little bit of our milk mixture between each layer of bread. We are then going to take a whole piece of pita bread, dip it into the milk mixture, and place it onto our casserole. Our last egg is also going to be scrambled up. The final bits of our milk will be poured on top of our casserole, and then we're going to push the bread down a little bit before pouring the egg and the rest of the milk mixture on top. Our casserole is then ready to go into a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, we are going to broil it for another 5 to 7 minutes until it's golden brown and crispy on top. We are then going to take a little bit of butter and spread it on top and let it melt into the dish. And then this yummy, creamy treat is ready to eat. We are going to slice it almost like a pie or a cake, and then we're going to drizzle it with a little bit of honey. Then it's time to eat. This creamy, delicious treat was super easy to make, and the kids gave it their stamp of approval.
The more honey you add, the better it tastes.
Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe and more videos, go online to PenalCentral.com.